Hello everyone, welcome in my channel WPF, and today I'm going to show you how to start ASP.NET Core in Visual Studio 2022. And here we have ASP.NET Core 2.6.0. So just start it, and you can select it ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET Core, and here we have ASP.NET Core web application and a project template for creating ASP.NET Core application with example ASP.NET Razor Pages content. And just to select model view controller folder, a project template for creating ASP.NET Core application with example ASP.NET Core MVC views and controller. This template can also be used for RESTful HTTP service, and the language is C#. Just click on the next button, and here we have WPF channel tuts. Okay, so just you can start ASP.NET Core WPF dot web. Okay, so there is the web, and the current version is 6.0, so just long-term support 6.0. Authentication type is none, and also disabled your enable Docker, and just create it. Okay, so this is the getting started video of ASP.NET Core. Okay, so here we have ASP.NET Core WPF.web application, and just go for the project structure, and here we have a connected service. Connector services is describe about overview of ASP.NET Core connected services, like that services dependencies and the publish options you have to there on your Azure folder. FTP and web server is also there. So here we have a connected services, and dependencies tell like DLL files and the NuGet package, and another project reference file you have to add in this dependencies. And the properties folder, we have a launch settings file, and the launch settings tell about the server information like IIS information, Kestrel information. And if you run your application on any other server, then there is no need of this file, launch settings.json file. So there is only need for your Visual Studio. And www root folder for your local file you have to save in like image, like CSS file, and etc. And the controllers model views, there is a MVC pattern, and app settings file we have to save your connection string and the payment keys, and like that. And the programs.cs file, we have a middleware, and the dependencies you have to add it in the service by using there. Okay, so that is the scenario of getting started of ASP.NET Core websites. So let's to start ASP.NET Core WPF.web, and you have to get the results. Okay, so you can see ASP.NET Core WPF.web and the home privacy, there is the default view. Okay, so that is the first video of ASP.NET getting started with ASP.NET Core 6.0. Thank you very much for watching this video.